This video explains how to use chopsticks. So you can pick up glass nuggets like this. They are very, very slippery. So you have a pair of chopsticks. You pick out one of them to start with. Put it onto your hand in this position. Make sure that your fingers and your thumb can move freely. So that's what you want to achieve. This is held in place by the thumb pressing down onto the chopstick, onto this finger. So now these can move freely. So you put your second chopstick onto these fingers and they try to control it so that the point meet each other. If they don't meet each other, you just adjust it to make sure that they meet. So if it is like this, so what you do is you put them down, adjust them so that they point to each other. Once they point to each other, you can pick up objects like this. Not easy on the glass nuggets, but should be much easier on normal food. So this is how it's done.